Hello and welcome back to SmartER, and today we're going to look at something which I think is very important and often very much overlooked. So each car normally has four black circle things on the corner of each part of your car. Tyres, or as they say in America, tyres. Spelled differently. What's all that about? Anyway, um, if you ever need to change them, if you have need to be pulled over by the police and they say you need to get them changed, and you call the shop and the first thing they'll say is, what size are you looking for? Well, it can be a little intimidating, but fortunately along the outside of all the tyres has some information, and the one we're looking for tyre size are these batch of numbers. So in this case it's 16565R15. 16565R15. So if you tell them those, they'll be able to give you a quote and tell you how much they are. There's another batch of information around it. It's normally the brand, the manufacturer's name, but there's also the DOT code, the Department of Transport code, which tells you when the tyre was actually made. So you will actually know if you're getting a new tyre. But it's also very important and useful if you go to buy a used car, just to see how old those tyres are. So here it is. It's four numbers, normally precluded by DOT. And the first two digits of the month and the last two digits of the year. So this was made in the 34th week of 2021, so the 34th week of 2021. So these are about to be changed, which has prompted me to make this video. Smart cars, you have smaller tyres width-wise on the front than they are on the back on the 4.2 range. So that's the original one, the 450, then the newer one, 451, and now these, the 453. So you do need to make sure you get the right sizes. They're not all the same on both sides. So let's have a look at the rear tyre now and just check out that theory. So we're looking for the size, and here are the range sizes. So it's 185/60R15. 185/60R15. So 185 is the width, 60 is the depth of the tyre wall, and 15 is the diameter in inches of the tyre. So where's the DOT number? When was these made? Because I had these about a year ago, I think. Here it is, the 9th week of 2024. So yeah, relatively new. So yeah, as I said, very important if you do go to a shop and not used to dealing with smart cars, and you're having all four tyres changed, make sure they put the right tyres on the right end of the car, because you don't want the skinny ones at the back and the fat ones on the front. That doesn't do your car any good at all. And if they mix them up across the axles, it can be quite damaging to your gearboxes. Things to look out for: there is a wear indicator on the inside of the channels of the tyres as well. These are 1.6mm depth, so if they are below that or worn past that, then your tyres will need to be changed. And I believe, don't quote me on this, but check yourselves to be sure, in the UK it's 3 points per tyre if you are stopped. 12 points gives you a free membership to the I've Lost My Driving Licence club, so please make sure your tyres are not underinflated. Thanks for watching, and if you enjoyed this, please give it a comment, maybe like, who knows, push the button and subscribe. But now it's cup of tea time.